My dear students, audience and friends, that day I taught you how to do negative in present indefinite tense. Today I am going to teach you how to do negative in past indefinite tense. Mormor chhatro chhatri hokol moi tumalukok aji past indefinite tense ot kenekoi negative kora hoy tar bikhoy hikam. Please mind on the board. Pallavi went to Bogeyville. This is the past indefinite tense. Here is no helping verb. Here সহায়কাৰী ক্ৰিয়া নাই গটিকে what will you do কি কৰিবা তুমি at first you have to take help did প্ৰথমে তুমি did ভাবৰ সহায় লব লাগিব ওকে তাৰ পিছত কি কৰিবা write subject Pallavi. After writing the subject to লিখাৰ পিছত তুমি কি কৰিবা did verb অনিয়া লিখিয়া did okay tar bisot not jog koi die okay after writing not ite ki koriba what will you do dekhisa have you seen when this is the second form tar bisot tumi second form to present form loyana bring the second form to present form second form to tumi present form loyana what is the first form of the when first form is go etu ki hobo go etu go hobo to Bogeyville okay যেতিয়া sentence to past tense থাকে তেতিয়া সদায় তুমি did verb হয় লব লাগিব আৰু তাৰ পিছত main verb to কি কৰিবা সদায় first form লৈ bring in first form গতিকে তুমি you have to know list of the verb তুমি কি জানিব লাগিব list of the verb খন জানিব লাগিব if you don't know list of the verb then you cannot do negative in past indefinite tense okay bye bye see you